So what I did then was I entered my username and password that I use every morning to open up the computer, because I'm specified Windows authentication methods. And then I clicked add. And what I got then from the service was connection successful. So what we do next then is we go up to settings again and go into settings. Then we click on datasets. Sun Video, that was the one that we're doing. Gateway connection. So we're going to use the gateway, and we just click over here, this arrow here. SQL Server, yeah, Martin 7, AdventureWorks DW 2017, Maps 2. I just say SQL Server AW. I remember setting that up. Then